The big picture to understand about this emergency deployment readiness exercise is this. The United States military can deploy forces at a moment's notice from the continental United States into South Korea and be prepared to defend the South Korean homeland and liberty abroad. And that's really the focus. And what we need to do that is we need 1st Armored Division's capability, we need all of the great equipment that exists at 19th ESC, and we need 2ID's ability to train it. So all that together helps us make that continuous commitment to the alliance.
Since it's a DRE, they're unprepared. They have no idea it's happening. That's part of the process, is how quickly they can respond and do their mission analysis and figure out how many people and things they need to carry over to Korea to conduct their actual wartime mission.
So SRP is the soldier readiness processing. Normally how it works is a soldier would come through here either before they're mobilizing or deploying or afterwards when they get back if they're about to go home. We just want to make sure that the service member is green across the board, mentally, physically, so that way there are no issues when they go downrange or come home.
In order to deploy this unit, the brigade and division staff have to figure out the requirements that's required of them, then adjust accordingly. They have to find, manifest all the capabilities they have here, push them forward, and then assume the equipment.
We are doing our Table 5 qualifications and nighttime drivers training. Currently we are in Fort Bliss, Texas, and we are out here training the 2-3 FA unit on the Alpha 6s. So this training is preparing them to be able to shoot and give accurate fires while we're doing this exercise. The soldiers that we've been running into the whole time we've been doing this training have been absolutely motivated, ready to go. They want to get this learning experience and training experience, and they're ready to accomplish the mission that has been set forth for them.
So from the units end, what they're working on is the ability to deploy. So they're marshaling their forces, they're going through all their pre-deployment, and they're working on getting out the door and across the Pacific Ocean. We're looking at the ability to exercise the Army pre-positioned stocks there. So we're validating our ability to deploy those munitions and be ready in the event that anything ever happens with North Korea.
Army pre-positioned stocks provides the ability to have forward combat power, provide speed of response for geographical combatant commands across the world. In particular, in APS-4, we have that capability in Korea in order to provide a rapid response. And this exercise allows us to show our commitment to the ROK-US alliance and the ability to project power in a timely fashion.
Two-3 tower radio check.
Tower 2-3, read Lima Charlie, how being over?
Yep, gets a lot clear, so I'm trying to get comms with 2-3 and 3-1.
We're out here conducting our live fire progression. It's wrapping up our team live fire, some really good solid reps, getting down in the mud, engaging and destroying the enemy. Out here at Nightmare Range, we're hoping to gain some good on-the-ground experience with training in a different environment than we're used to. Coming out from the desert here to the mountains and basically jungles of Korea is definitely different, but it's all good training and shows our soldiers that they can fight anywhere at any time.
Push up forward!
Coming out of here, we're hoping to bring back some solid experiences that they can then take and mentor new soldiers with, as well as taking this experience and using it to build upon what we already have and become a more lethal fighting force. Well, we're going to keep pushing it hard out here in the training fields, keep engaging the enemy, and show our strength and our partnership with the Republic of Korea.
The most valuable insight that we've gained is that at any time we could be called upon to fight for our nation. And when we were called as part of this emergency deployment readiness exercise, the Ready First Combat Team has proven ready to deploy, to quickly draw pre-positioned stock equipment, and to arrive with a warrior mentality and ethos to train hard, to learn, to build a cohesive team, and to get better every day.